The Kohler Genuine Part KT715-KT745 air filter is the perfect replacement for maintaining the optimal performance of your 4-stroke gas-powered engine. Whether you're working with lawn equipment, generators, or any compatible machinery, this high-quality filter ensures your engine runs smoothly by providing excellent filtration and protection. Designed to meet Kohler's strict standards, it offers maximum efficiency and longevity, keeping dirt and debris out of the engine for extended life and reliable operation. This air filter is easy to install, and it fits perfectly with the Kohler KT715-KT745 engine models. One of the standout features of this air filter is its OEM quality, which guarantees that it works just like the original filter that came with your machine. A customer review mentioned the slight difference in the outer band, where the OEM metal band was replaced with a plastic one, but the filter mesh appeared to be of the same quality and pleat count. This small change doesn't affect performance, and once installed, the engine runs perfectly. The KT715-KT745 air filter is backed by Kohler's reputation for durability and performance. The filter is made from high-quality materials that help reduce engine wear by preventing harmful particles from entering the engine. It's an essential component for keeping your engine running at its best, and its design ensures long-lasting service. Some users also recommend giving the pre-filter a light spray with filter oil, like KN filter oil, to ensure maximum filtration performance. Even with the small challenge of ensuring proper sealing, once installed, the air filter does its job flawlessly, keeping your engine in top condition. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install air filter replacement for your Kohler-powered equipment, the KT715-KT745 Genuine Air Filter is the way to go. Click the link in the video description to purchase today and keep your engine running strong for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe for more great product recommendations and tips.